to show you another case of face mask. This one very easy for you to do. I will have 3 layers, so I don't have to do the pocket. The style need 19. You need 16. Over here, 19 centimeters, and this one 16 centimeters. Now you cut it out. Okay, like this. Then you have to take one out. You take like this, you take it out. And the third one, you put under. Okay, now from here, you do 3.5 this side, 3.45 this side, 3.45 this side, and you mark 3.45 on this side. Here, same. Okay, and then between here, you have 9. You have to mark 3. This side the same. You have 3 and 3. Then you have to fold the pleat. You hold the second line on both sides. You go up to the first line. You go up like this to the first line. The second go to the first. Okay, and then the next one, you hold it, and then you go in the middle of the first one. And then the last one, you fold into the middle here. Like this, and the next one you do exactly the same. So you done to fold the piece like this. This is 9 centimeters. Okay, you cut 9 centimeters width. You fold it in half. 1.45 to 2. Then you connect 2 to 1.45. You use the disc. Like this. Then you cut it out. Okay, after you cut, you fold. Then you go to the machine. You sew the line from here to here. And this side too, you do for both of them. And this one, you have to do 2 of them together. This one just only 1, but this side you have to do 2. After you sew this line, then you take the purple one, you fold it in half, and you mark half over here. You put it in the half of the white one, and you see it's exactly the same over here from this side to this side. Then you put this side like this, the purple and the white one line up like this. Then you go to the machine. You will sew from this line to another side, from this side to another side. But when you sew, you do a little bit slow, and then you move it up like this. Let me show you how. You see, both of the side, you do it like this. You open it up. Just look like use your fingernail to press it down. Like this. You do for all of them. Like this. Same here. This one you do double side, so you don't have to put the filter in, or you don't need the pocket. Okay, now after you press them down, then you go to the machine, you go the top line from this side, go to another side, together, and the top line like this. Then you put right side to right side. Okay, when you sew it, you fold this one, this line, the end here, a little bit down. Both of them, you fold it down like this. Okay, then you sew from this line, from this side, you go around and then you stop at another side here. Okay, you sew around. Now you turn inside out. You have to fold it in half. And then from the fold line, you go out here. You need 13 on fold. So at this line, and then you fold it up like this. 13 on fold is mean you need 26. And another side you need 3. And then you fold. Okay, you fold it like this. On both of sides, I have a ladybug button. If you don't have a ladybug button, you can sew the line. That's all. But I have the ladybug, so I show the button in here. I saw the ladybug button in here. This ladybug button you can buy at Walmart, Michael store, or Joanne. They have them all. It's very, very cute. Now from here, you go in the middle one. From the bottom, you go up. You go up right in the middle, right here in the middle, and then you move up. Then you put in the back, they have a hole, then you put the needle through the hole. And then you go down, and then you go up again. Like this. And then you go up and down few times through the hole. You go through the hole, then you go down, then you go up from another side, like this, and then you go through the hole to another side, then you go down, like this, turn it back, and then you screw them in here. You have to do it 2 times to make sure everything okay. You need 2 ladybug. Now you go up in the middle over here. Then you go up. Then you put the ladybug. You put the needle through the hole here. And then you go down. Then you go up again. And then you go through the hole. You do like that. Go up and down through the hole a few times. To make sure that the ladybug not fly away. I'm just kidding. Okay. 4 times. And you go in the back. You do like this. 1 time. Okay. Okay, after you put the ladybug in both sides, now you put the elastic in the middle here. Then you tie the knot. Then you hold it inside here, like this. And you do another side the same. Okay, then you hold in the back here. All set. How beautiful with the ladybug.